Hello, everybody. As my friend Charmaine Garcia Lagonigo already told you, it's my honor and my pleasure to be here with you, to be at all your events, and I know that you are a piece of Larnaca. Your community adds to the mosaic of what is called Larnaca, and you are very important for us. We want you to grow here, we want you to supplement our community, we want you to contribute to our culture. You are all civilized, hardworking, and peaceful people, and that's why we love you. Your Excellency, Ambassador Mr. Giovanni Palek, Ambassador of Philippines to Cyprus. It is my honor and pleasure to meet you again, to welcome you to the most southeastern city of the European community. Larnaca is the most southeastern city of the European community. This is where Europe ends, and this is where Europe begins. It is the last and the first city of the European community. In Larnaca live many nationalities, and I'm glad to support everybody who is here in Larnaca, because we are all human beings, and as you know, and as the people who show us today, music, dance unites people. Music and dance and celebrations unite people, bring peace, and contribute to our well-being and wealth growth. So with this note, with these few words, I would like to tell you that we would like you all to feel like home in Larnaca. Larnaca has a place for everyone who wants to work, live in peace and tranquility, and contribute to our society, contribute to our city in many ways, in many cultural ways, and you know that, and you do that very well and very best. I wish you all Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, full of health, happiness, and success. And by the way, Happy Pasko Pinoy. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Deputy Mayor. Can we have a selfie, please? Thank you very much. Sir John, it's okay, right? We will talk later. So let's proceed now, my friend.
Okay, thank you so much, Deputy Mayor. There's no better gift than the gift of good health and the peace of mind na kapag tayo ay nagkasakit. Mayroon tayong masasandalan, hindi lang para sa atin, kundi para sa ating pamilya sa Pilipinas. That is why we are so blessed to have with us today the PhilHealth delegation from the Philippines. Yes, pasalamatan po natin sila. Pinuntahan na po tayo dito. And to give us the PhilHealth service message lang po ninyo, si Mr. Michael Gibson Hernandez. Ayan. Mahina po. Hello, test mic 1, 2, test.
Good afternoon po. Hindi po ako kakanta. Yes, good afternoon, and of course, His Excellency, our Ambassador Giovanni Palek, sir. Thank you for inviting me here. And of course, to our ever supportive Deputy Consul, Mr. Charmaine Garcia Lagonigo. This is already the second mission of PhilHealth here. The first team already went to Nicosia, last September. Supposed to be I was the one to represent at that time, but because of the conflict of schedule, so I was moved this December. And of course, I agree with our Deputy Mayor of Larnaca, I also the Siquillas, that it's a very good place. In fact, Mayor, when I came here, I already ran 5 kilometers in the first night. The following day, I ran 10 kilometers. The next day, 10 kilometers. Just this morning, I just ran a half marathon around the boulevard. It's so beautiful and truly inspiring of your city. So thank you, sir, for being hospitable with your people. Filipinos are fond of selfies. So I was doing my selfie, and one local asked if he can take a picture of me because I was doing it alone. So that's how hospitable for the I believe the security people. And just for the information of our kababayans, Christmas is fast approaching, and during Christmas season is also critical time in terms of our health. Kasi po, kaliwat kanan po yung parties, kaliwat kanan yung kumakain tayo ng bawal. That's why nandito po ang PhilHealth. To remind you that nandito po kami para po may inyong masandalan in case of hospitalization. So, I'd like to encourage all our kababayans to visit our booth outside so that we will be properly informed of our new benefits. In fact, this year we increased our benefits of 30% across the board. And this year, before the end of the year, we will try to increase it another 30%. And by January of next year, we plan to provide dental care, eyewear, and even wheelchair. So we strongly encourage our kababayans to update their records, and especially with your beneficiaries that are left in the Philippines to declare it in PhilHealth so that during hospitalization they will have no problem in terms of availing of the benefits of PhilHealth. This is also a form, that's why PhilHealth, we flown roughly around 14 hours in flight time, and this is one way of PhilHealth to bring the services closer to all the Filipinos. And I hope you will take advantage of this endeavor of the government in order for all the Filipinos to be able to feel the programs and benefits of the health programs of our government. So with that po, tama-tama po, meron po tayo Paskong Pinoy, kahit saan po, ang mundo, basta nagsama-sama mga Pilipino, lagi pong masaya ang ating Pasko. So with that, maraming salamat again, Ambassador and Consul. Congratulations on a very well-attended, participated from our kababayans. So with that, maraming salamat and maligayang Pasko po sa ating lahat.
Fernandez. Okay. Hello. It is an honor to introduce our keynote speaker to share his Christmas message for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, our beloved His Excellency Ambassador Giovanni Paleg.
Sir Ambassador, please, on the center of the stage po. Kasi sayang ng kagwapuhan mo, sir.
Good afternoon and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you this evening. But before I start, maybe you can turn to each other and greet each other a Merry Christmas. Thank you for participating. But in this time, in this season, we all know it brings to us hope, the message of hope, the message of peace, and the message of love. So, as we celebrate this festive season, let's hope that we can bring this spirit with us to the following year. At the same time, this is the time to reflect on the new year, on the past year that we've had, and give thanks to the Lord of our achievements and of the blessings that we've given, and even, let's say, some of those difficult times, especially for our kababayans who have experienced several typhoons in the different parts of the country. We've had 4, I was informed that we have 4 super typhoons in 1 month. So, but that tells about the resilience of the Filipinos that we have. And even if you go to those places that have been hard struck by the typhoons, you will still be able to elicit a smile from all the people there. Because why? Because the Filipinos bring sunshine to the world, as they say. And just to share, here it's the Paskong Pinoy, and the focus is on the parole. And as rightly stated, it is inspired from the star that guided the 3 wise men to Jesus Christ. So, as we all know, the light gave us the guided them, and hopefully this will also guide us. I just wanted to share that in Athens, we had our Christmas tree lighting, where we decorate our big pine tree in front of the garden. And then, and our message has always been that the Christmas tree, as you see it, the tree represents Christ, while the star is the one that guides you to Christ. So every time we look at that, it's very meaningful to Filipinos, the star, because it's a symbol of how to get to Christ. And hopefully, with this spirit of sharing in this at this time, we'll be able to carry on that spirit throughout the year. And as we give thanks to the Lord, we also look forward to having better times ahead, especially in this region. As we all know, there's so many developments that's been going on. It is a concern, but then with the message that it is a time for hope, it is a time for peace, and it is the time for love. Hopefully we can all show this to one another. And as we celebrate, of course, Filipinos will always celebrate Christmas wherever you are, because we carry it in our hearts. And when sabi nga nila, if there are 2 or more Filipinos gathered, definitely we will celebrate Christmas, just as we celebrate now. And with that, let's all celebrate the Yuletide season. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ambassador Giovanni Palik, for your very touching and inspirational message.
From our group line,
Ano yung microphone?
aims to promote traditional Filipino Christmas traditions like parol making, encourage creativity using recycled materials, and foster community spirit. Star Lantern symbolizes the victory of light over the darkness, and as well as hope, peace, and goodwill. My lantern is made of corn kernels and legumes with plastic and metal. I added cotton to my lantern. Cotton is a symbol of comfort in living and purity. The wings ornament is a symbol of strength, speed, and endurance. The star consists of corn kernels and legumes, a symbol of hard worker of every Filipino, and the freedom to plant, farm, and harvest their crops. The circle is made of beer cans glued together to form one. Joining arms to defend Philippines' independence is a symbol of stability and unity of every Filipino. The Philippines flag is made of plastic bottle caps with 3 colors, white, blue, and red. The flag symbolizes the freedom of Filipinos in time of peace. The color white is a symbol of equality